Welcome back to the Jason Mushman channel. If you remember in our last video, we took the engine out of the 185S shed find machine, and today we're going to take the old cam chain out and put a new one in. A lot of these bolts were really tight on the engine, just like they were on the frame of the machine. So I'm just having fun with some of these sound effects. Let me know if you guys like them or not. Removing the stator housing on the left side of the engine here is the first step, so let's get this going. Now removing the cam cover and timing plate. The cam cover had a hole in it allowing moisture to get in there. That's why there's so much corrosion under that cover. Now I'm just making sure that it's on top dead center on the compression stroke to allow the cam to come out easy. There's marks both up on the cam and down on the flywheel to ensure top dead center. And removing the pulse charger and timing plate. Now removing tension from the cam chain tensioner. These can get kind of stubborn. It just gets locked on there over the years with the grime and a little bit of carbon buildup. Cam gear off, and the cam should slide right out. Putting the cam back in and reinstalling the new cam chain. I want to take this opportunity to thank all 307 of my subscribers, and like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep on doing this stuff in the future. Thank you.